वेलकम टू अवर चैनल सेलिब्रिटी। तो आइए आज हम बात करेंगे फिल्म मुंबई सागा ट्रेलर के लॉन्च इवेंट की, जहां संजय गुप्ता की डायरेक्शन में बनने जा रही फिल्म मुंबई सागा की स्टार कास्ट है जॉन अब्राहम, समीर सोनी, रोनित रॉय, जैकी श्रॉफ, गुलशन ग्रोवर और भी बड़े स्टार कास्ट इस फिल्म में नजर आएंगे। इस फिल्म में जॉन इब्राहिम और इमरान हाशमी की जोड़ी नजर आने वाली है, जिसे दर्शक देखना जरूर चाहेंगे। आपको बता दें, इस फिल्म में जॉन अब्राहम एक विलन का रोल अदा कर रहे हैं और वही इमरान हाशमी एक पुलिस ऑफिसर का। आइए देखते हैं हम मुंबई सागा की स्टार कास्ट और उनकी कुछ बातें।
Put your hands together for the one and only John Abraham. आप लोगों ने जॉन को कई सारी फिल्मों में देखा होगा। मैं आपको लिख के दे सकता हूँ कि इस फिल्म में जो उन्होंने काम किया है वैसा काम आपने शायद पहले नहीं देखा होगा। और उनको टक्कर देते हुए एक और कमाल के कलाकार जिन्होंने बार बार अलग अलग रोल किए हैं, और मैं इनके बारे में भी कह सकता हूँ कि ऐसा रोल उन्होंने आज से पहले नहीं किया। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द वन एंड ओनली इमरान हाशमी। कि मैं अन्य कलाकारों को यहाँ बुलाऊं, I'd like to invite on stage my friend, my brother, the man behind all the action that you see, somebody who I've always called a maverick, the captain of our ship, Sanjay Gupta.
Nine films of T-Series releasing this year. So that is giving confidence. Yash Raj has announced their slate of films. Dharma Production is announcing their slate of films. So all these things are giving confidence to all these single screen which are opening up as we are talking. So we definitely hope by the time our release date is coming, more and more screens will be opened and we will come in a maximum number of screens.
Is there any number you have?
See, right now it's very difficult to commit any number. Means yesterday John was also asking me what are the screen count number, but we are definitely working on it. Every day it's happening. More than us, theater owner want their screen to be open and
way we were shooting it, ultimately how the film has been mounted, all of that reminded me of that. And it's very difficult to kind of constantly surprise people in a genre. Especially a gangster genre, and that's what Sanjay was saying, that you want to surprise the audience. And I didn't pick up any script before this because those scripts were not surprising the audience. They all were like a copy of something I'd already done. But this is something that's unique in its style and its narrative.
It's like I told him, he's a gangster in uniform.
अंजना जी, आप अगर थोड़ा सा बता सके
John,
लेफ्ट
your answer on that?
No, I see. You must do films that relate to a mass audience and a universal audience, and not just a few people probably sitting in one fancy theater. And I think this film reaches out to the masses. And I saw what Mani Surve did for me, and I'm sure for Sanjay also. So I think this has got a lot of relatability with a very large section of an audience, especially I wouldn't say multiplex a single screen, but yes, the mass audiences, when you go into the interiors of India, they really remember these characters. They're memorable. Imran's character is memorable. In fact, everybody on this podium out here has a fantastic character in the film that's memorable. So I think when you make films, make it for the people. We try and cater to a very small audience. We get scared of criticism only on the net. I think the biggest cuss word today in my life, at least, is I'm scared to trend. If I trend, I know I'm a joke. So I want to stay away from this trend business. And I really want to reach out to the masses. And I think Mumbai Saga is giving us an opportunity to actually go out back into the masses, where we belong to. And people like me, my career was made in screens. So why can't I reach out to them? So why can't I go back to them? I'd rather go back to them, and I'd rather be catered to by these audiences. So that's exactly what Mumbai Saga does. And I enjoy playing gangster with Sanjay Gupta. It's like on autopilot. He stands in front of me and he looks at me, John. I'm like, okay, let's go. So that's it,
अंजना जी, अगर आप कुछ बता सके कैसा रहा एसोसिएशन विद मुंबई सागा के साथ में, एंड जो आपका डायलॉग है बहुत ही ऐसे एनर्जेटिक है, अगर आप हमें सुना सके फ्यू लाइंस।
हाँ, अगर 10 करोड़ किसी को भी मिले बहुत एनर्जेटिक होगा। बट जैसे संजय सर ने पहले ही कहा कि वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही काम करते हैं मोस्टली, सो आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर टू बी इन, एंड आई थिंक जो ट्रेलर आपने देखा वो तो सब बयान करता ही है कि फिल्म क्या है, गैंगस्टर्स है. हम लड़कियों का कुछ काम ज़्यादा कभी रखते नहीं है संजय सर, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बॉयज़ बीटिंग अप ईच अदर. But yeah, it's been a great experience. Obviously, it's a fantastic film to be part of with such a great star cast. And again, like I said, the boys beating each other because I think boys only like that, punching and kicking. But it's been a fabulous experience, and I'm just glad to be sharing this space with everyone. Thank you.
Rohit ji, what about you?
Yeah. Well, like Gupta says, I'm the compulsory blind in all his films. I've always had a great time working with him. He's given me, like John said, memorable roles, whether it's Shootout at Lokhandwala or Kabil or a very different role in this film, which I'm sure will impact you in a way that you don't know. So yeah, I love working with him. Yeah. There's no question about it. We've been great friends for over 15, 16 years now. And it's comfortable. I obviously want to be part of a Sanjay Gupta film. There's one co-actor who's not here, Shad Randhawa. He did the film only because he wanted to walk in slow motion in Sanjay Gupta's film.
अच्छा, बर्थडे में नॉर्मली विश करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए अपने को लगता है जो बिल्कुल आपकी फीलिंग हो. जॉन की जो सिंप्लिसिटी, जॉन की जो जेन्युइननेस, जॉन की जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं, जो मैंने जिस्म के टाइम देखी थी. पहली पिक्चर मैंने बहुत लोगों के साथ देखी की है और बहुत लोगों को बदलते हुए देखा. उसके बाद बहुत सारे स्टार्स के साथ फर्स्ट फिल्म की है. आई हैव नॉट सीन जॉन चेंज एज अ पर्सन एट ऑल. एब्सोल्युटली द सेम पर्सन, सेम प्योर. इतना प्योर तो यहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में खतरनाक भी होता है. इतना प्योर, सिंपल, नाइसर person I've never seen. And his affection, his respect, everything has stayed the way it was on the first day of filming of Jism. God bless you, John.
Guys, we'll have to wrap it up right now. But thank you very, very much. Before I wrap it up, and I call... One sec. Don't move, everybody. Yeah, Samir wants to say something. I can't say no to him.
Mic on. Okay, quickly, just want to say one thing. Everyone's been saying there's a lot of responsibility on John, Imran, Bhushanji, and Sanjay Gupta. I think the responsibility is on your shoulders. They have taken the risk. They have, or we rather, have taken the risk.
True.
And be the first one to bell the cat. You are the ears and eyes of the audience. Now, rest is on to you. So it's not our responsibility. It's yours, and I hope you fulfill it.
Thank you guys for coming. Before, I'd like to invite on stage our co-producers, the men behind all of this, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, Mr. Shiv Channa, Hanif Chunawala, Krish Ahir. Anil is not here, Anil Tadani is not here, but my friend Neeraj Roy is here. Neeraj, please come on stage. A last photo op for everybody, and I can hand over the mic finally. No. Okay. Thank you, members of the press. Thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, of course. मेरे को मेरी नौकरी सिखाने की नहीं कभी. जाने से पहले एक बात कहूँगा. इन लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी बातें की है. Wishing everybody all the very best. शोर तो मचेगा, लेकिन डंका भी बजेगा. और अब सुनते हैं, एक बार साथ में बोलेंगे. गणपति बाप्पा, गणपति बाप्पा, गणपति बाप्पा. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Thank you.
और ऐसे ही मज़ेदार खबरें जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.